Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up a limited liability company in the state of Wisconsin. Now, one of the major things that you need to understand before you set up a limited liability is to understand what a limited liability actually is. Limited liability companies are companies which are separate from their owners, meaning the accounts, the wealth, the money is separated from that of the owner. So for example, if you own a company, your bank account is going to be separate from the account of the company itself. In the future, for any reason, if you're to be sued or legal action is to be taken, it would be taken against the company, not against you, because your company is going to be a limited liability company. And that is one of the major advantages for a limited liability company. And that is the reason why a lot of young entrepreneurs and small startups are converting and opening limited liability companies. And you can also do that in the state of Wisconsin. I'm going to show you exactly how that's done and what steps that you need to take and how to actually set it up in the state of Wisconsin. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to the state website, which is revenue.wi.gov. This is the Wisconsin state website you have to check out. Now, once you get over here, all you need to do is head over to registered with the Department of Revenue. Now, when you click on that, you'll open companies for LLC, partnerships, or nonprofit. And once you click on one-stop business registration, a new page is going to be open up, and this is that page. Now, to set up an online limited liability company, this is where you need to be. Now, I personally suggest to everyone that is thinking of forming a limited liability company to do it online, because right now the facilities that you get online are something that you won't be able to get anywhere, and you will face a lot of issues with time. But doing it online, you can do it from the comfort of your home. Now, the first thing you need to do is set up an account, and obviously you have to get your ID and your password. So you need a VAM ID. Just click on that and you can start your registration. Now, before you do that, I would suggest to go over here and click on create your business today, because this is a comprehensive guide to the information that you would need to set up a limited liability company. And once you click on it, you'll be taken to this particular page. Now, this is a 3-step breakdown that they've given. The first step is registering your business. The second step is the business taxation registration. And the third is the unemployment insurance assessment. Now, obviously, you need to have a full understanding of what you want to do and how you want to do it. And understanding all these elements is essential. And that is the reason why the one-stop business portal allows you to quickly and easily open your new business in just 3 steps. And the new service allows you to complete the basic requirements that most new businesses need to fulfill in a single streamlined application, from the entity registration with the Department of Financial Institution to the tax registration with the Department of Revenue and the unemployment insurance assessment for the Department of Workforce Development. Now, the first thing is obviously the entity registration. And if you're going for the LLC, the limited liability company, which means that it has members, owners, similar to a partnership, who can directly manage the company or who can appoint one or more managers to run the company. And an LLC combines feature both of a partnership and a corporation. And that is the reason why I absolutely love it. Now, the requirements that you need to have are very, very clear. You need to have a name and the proposed name of the new limited liability company. Now, one of the major things which a lot of young entrepreneurs make a mistake on is the fact that they pick a name which is not the same name as their domain name or their social media handles. So they get into a lot of issues and the marketing becomes absolutely nightmare for them. That is the reason why I suggest to everyone to select a unique name, which is going to be the same for your social media and for your website. Then you need to get a registered agent, which I'm going to go in great detail. This is an individual that is required by the state. Then you need to have your management, then you have organizers, your drafters, signature, contact information, payments, and the fee for the online filing for this entity is $130 plus $1 for portal fee. The fee are not refundable, guys. And the optional service that you have to increase the speed of it, you can do it for $25. And obviously, this is going to make sure that they close the business on the first business day following the date of receipt, and the fees are not refundable. Now, once you understand all of that and you created your online portal and you will start your application, you just need to follow everything step by step, put all the information that's required, and it should not be a hassle as long as you have all the information from your EIN number, from your tax codes, from your revenue, from your IRS requirements. All the elements that you have are going to be available in hand. You can easily complete this application. Now, before I go into the other method that's available, I need to give you an example of what a registered agent is. Now, all 50 states require you to assign a registered agent to be available to receive legal documents for your business, such as governmental correspondence, subpoenas, and tax notices. And depending on what state that you're in, these documents need to be delivered in person. So having a registered agent is key. And that literally means that if you have business in Ohio, if you have business in New York, or in Washington, in Texas, you need to have separate registered agents in those particular states. Now, there's a lot of questions that I tend to get, and the explanation for that is that once you're running a business, there are so many things that you need to look out for. There's so many things that you need to do in a day, and having someone who can take care of all the legal correspondence, someone that understands who they need to reply back to, what they need to say, and when they need to say it. It is crucial to have that individual to ensure that you have that peace of mind that all your legal requirements, your correspondence are taken care of. Now, if this does seem overwhelming for you, you can always head over to a website which is called inkfile.com. And this is the easiest way to set up and manage your business. And you can join over 800,000 businesses that have been launched by Inkfile since 2004. They will help you start your new company. They will get you the right structure for your company. They will help you manage the state compliances, and they also have registered agents in the US. Now, all you need to do is click on Start My Business, and it's going to take you to the next page over here where you will select the sort of company that you want to create. In this video, we're doing the limited liability company. And once you select that, you're going to select the state you wanted it in. We're doing it for Wisconsin. And obviously, once that is selected, you go down, you get 3 packages. The first package is silver, the second package is gold, and the third package is platinum. Now, the silver package is for $130, which is the state fee, which is the same for every single package. But the package fee for platinum is $299, and the gold is $199. The silver is completely free. Now, I personally recommend every new business to go for the platinum because you have a lot of features that get included, such as business contract templates, domain name and business emails, the preparing and filing of the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, and a free registered agent service for a year. Your EIN business tax number is going to be there. Your IRS Form 2553 is going to be given. The operating agreement, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, as well as the online access dashboard is going to be included as well. You'll get unlimited phone and email support, as well as business banking account and business tax consultation. Now you got to make sure that every single crack is taken care of. Every single crack is taken care of. There's no leaks anywhere, because if there are, you might run into trouble. And once you get someone that understands and have developed and helped guide and created limited liability companies for so many people over a period of time, they know exactly what they're doing. So you could be rest assured that you're in safe hands. But if you still want to speak to someone, you can always head over to a website which is called avo.com, and you can search for Wisconsin's limited liability company lawyers. There are 36 attorneys with 66 reviews, and as I scroll down, you can clearly see these are individuals who have decades of experience. You can message them, you can book a time with them, and you can drop them a call as well and get a free consultation for 60 minutes and speak to them. They'll be able to guide you, to support you, to assist you, and obviously help you create a limited liability company. And obviously, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop a message in the comment section below. We're here to help you guys out. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to start a limited liability company in the state of Wisconsin. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.